Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue to learn how to code and read words with vowel teams. Let's do a quick review of the two vowel teams we have already learned. Pick up two fingers and trace it with me. E, E, feet, E. Position in the middle of the word. Let's trace and pick up two fingers and let's trace this vowel team. O, A, boat, O. Position in the middle of a word. Excellent. So today, boys and girls, we're going to learn the vowel team A-I. Watch me trace it and say the sound. A, I, rain, A. Position is in the middle of a word. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to teach you how to code and read words with A-I. We have learned when we don't know a word, what do we need to do? We need to find the vowel. I see my A and then I see my I. That's a vowel team. When we see the vowel team, remember, boys and girls, we have to underline it and write V, V. Then we tap and read the word. Let's do it together. R, A, ray, rain, rain. Excellent, boys and girls. Let's do the next one together. I don't know a word. What do I need to do? I need to find my vowel. Here's my A. Here I look right next to it and I see my I. That's my vowel team A-I. I underline it and then I write two V's. And now I tap and read my word. A, may, main. Finally, I'm up to my third word. I don't know this word. What do I need to do? I need to find my vowel. I see A. Right next to it, I see I. I see my vowel team. When we see the vowel team, we underline, and right underneath, we write two V's. Let's tap and read this word together. A, tray, train, train. Excellent, boys and girls. On the screen, you have lots of words with the vowel team A in it in two sentences. Now I want you to go back, write the words on a piece of paper, code them, read the sentences, and then take a picture and upload it on Class Dojo. Remember, boys and girls, when you're coding vowel teams, we underline the vowel and we write V, V. Bye. Have a great day.